Number 3, let's talk messy buns. I have always felt like when I am doing nothing in my house and I quick throw my hair up, that messy bun is so cute, and then I try to go do my messy bun for work or something and I take forever trying to perfect it, and I spend more time making a messy bun than if I would have just curled my hair. So this was one that I have found that I feel like works really well for my hair. I'm sure it works in everyone's type of hair, but I will just show you what I do. I like to wear my messy buns up high. So I'm going to start by, I just kind of run my fingers through my hair a little and pulling my hair and getting I kind of usually wear my ponytails and my buns kind of around, the crown of your head back here. So just get my ponytail up here and all that stuff you can kind of fidget with your bobby pins later. So I'm just going to show you how the bun works. So I'm tying, depending on the thickness of your hair and your type of ponytail, I do it tight. So on what I feel like would be the last time I wrap my ponytail around my hair, I go through and I leave this shell-like looking thing up, okay? Then I leave my little tail, take it, tuck it into my ponytail. Okay. Now, take this bun. So far we've used a ponytail. Now we're using another ponytail. And I'm using one of the little rubber bands now. And I'm going to do it around it twice here. Okay. Around the whole thing. I don't know if you can really see. Okay. Now, kind of got some wild stuff up here. I'm going to take my bobby pins. And this wants to stay fanned up. I don't leave it that way. I take my bobby pins and secure this down and around. And I like to put mine in kind of vertically or horizontal. I did one kind of horizontally. I did a few vertically down the sides. And you can pull and make it bigger. You could wrap another ponytail around it if you want it smaller. I've got my bangs out. If you have long hair, you could have it all up, or you can pull some wispy stuff out. But that piece I'm gonna pull like that. And there is my quick messy bun.